Asset management is one of the most important functions in managing the property. And do not confuse that with property management. Even after having property manager, there is a lot of work left for asset manager to do. For example, when a unit becomes vacant, the property manager will simply call the asset manager and tell them, Unit 8 has become vacant, what do you want me to do? Should I place the unit on market or do you want to make any changes? Then it's the asset manager that will decide what upgrades or changes that they want to do. It's the asset manager who will decide what vendors should be hired for that. It's the asset manager who will decide what should be the price should be paid to those vendors. And then after the changes are done, it's the asset manager that will verify that the changes are done as per their satisfaction or not. And the property manager can take care of actual work itself. But ultimately the asset manager is going to go and verify whether the work has been done up to their satisfaction or not. And after that, it's the asset manager who is going to decide what listing rent should be on that unit. It's the asset manager who is responsible for the day-to-day operations of the property. It's the asset manager who is responsible for financial well-being of the property. Is the asset manager who is responsible for financial performance of the property. Is the asset manager that visits property and verifies that everything is going fine. Is the asset manager that makes sure that the property looks good so that a quality tenants can be attracted. Asset manager can make or break the deal because it's a very long and tedious process. Is the asset manager who comes up with creative solutions to difficult problems. For example, in one of our properties, there was a place where people used to throw trash even though they're not supposed to. That place was not meant to be throwing trash. One of these asset managers came up with a very creative idea. What they did is they simply put a fake camera facing that space. And by looking at that camera, people stopped throwing trash. This was a very, very creative solution. Before that, we had tried everything. We had put up boards there, we had put up caution tape there, and none of that would work. So it's the asset manager that comes with creative and cheap solutions to solve complex multifamily problems. It's the asset manager, I'm saying it again, can make or break the deal. And that is why when you are investing with a syndicator, understand what are the asset management practices they are following. And if you want to understand what are the asset management practices of Old Money Capital, you can simply go to oldmoneycapital.com and request a call with us. If not, you can contact us and we can send you our best practices in asset management by email. Thank you.